This is Ben from Tech Nuggets. It's just a quick video today, just showing you the latest update on the Mac operating system. That's Big Sur. So this is a totally new thing. I'm just going to show you the process of how to do it as well. That's why I'm doing this screen record thing now. So I'm going to be installing this on my 2020 MacBook Pro. It's the 2 GHz quad core Intel Core i5 version. I've not had it long, to be honest, so this is going to be the first time I've updated the operating system on it, and hopefully it's going to be good. So yeah, so if you've never updated it before, it's nice and easy. All you have to do is go into System Preferences, Software Updates, and wait to check for updates. It's a macOS Big Sur. Upgrade now. Now I have actually already done this. I've downloaded it already. It will download it. Depending on your internet speed, it will take a little bit of time. So yeah, click agree. So just go through the process basically. Any of you veteran Mac users will notice it's just the same as any other upgrade, since they've been doing these over the air ones for the last 6 years or so. So put your password in, and that's it. It's going to do a little bit of an install now. So what I'll do, I'll keep on videoing this and then speed up the process, switch to the other camera, show you what happens when it's installing. Just hopefully next time we speak again we'll be booted back into the operating system, and I'll be able to show you some of the new key features and just generally have a mess about. I've not actually done any revision on this at all, so what you see me noticing is going to be first hand. I'm not actually doing this with any knowledge of what to expect, to be honest. As you can see, computer's just closing all the applications down to restart now, and then fingers crossed there we go. Okay guys, so it looks like it's finished. Wicked! The startup chime's back! Oh, it just seems more like a Mac now, doesn't it, with that? I think it's finished anyway, so let's just watch the boot. Seems to be booting a lot slower than El Capitan. Okay, password in. Mac OS 11 Big Sur. Let's double check. So Mac OS Big Sur version 11.0.1. Obviously that means the OSXI days have died off, or OS 10, depending on how you want to pronounce it. It's been going for a long time. I think it's probably about 10 years that we've actually had OS 10. So this is a massive change and a great update for Mac. So yeah, the first thing I noticed is this wallpaper that's stock. So I'm going to change that because I'm not too into these pastel colours. Just bear with me. Oh, some dynamic ones. Not too sure how these work. I quite like the blue though. Let's have a look at that. The other thing I'm noticing pretty much straight away, hard drive logo's changed. Awesome. I like the look of that. In fact, if you look on the dock, quite a lot of these logos have actually changed from what they were. That's quite interesting. And the same on Launchpad as well. GarageBand's changed, iMovie's. In fact, to be fair, nearly every single one of them's changed. That's obviously a stock Apple one. It's just the third-party ones that have not. So I like the look of that, definitely. Also, I'm noticing my percentage has gone from the battery bar. 1 hour 20 minutes until fully charged, 76%, but it doesn't display it anymore on the dock like it did. Sorry, on your top bar like it did. Then we've got this little switch icon. So this is obviously your control panel, similar to what you get on the iPad and the iPhone. That's quite nice. I like that. I think it looks sleek. And then also you've got, when you click your date, you get your widgets, which is what used to be your notification bar. I've got to say I do quite like that. That is brilliant. And I think down at the bottom we can add more widgets, so there is quite a few already actually. The podcast one, I might actually add that. Quite like listening to podcasts. Awesome, that is cool. Brilliant. And I think you can swipe 2 fingers in from the left to bring that in. Yeah, great. Other things that have changed, I think mail has been refreshed. So let's have a look. Yeah, so the mail app is definitely looking a little bit different. It looks a little more polished. To be fair, it's got a much more modern feel to it now, I think, than it had before. In your system preferences, everything pretty much looks the same. One thing that I did notice is the startup chimes back, so quite liked that. Let's see if these are different. Empty the bin noise. Yeah, that was cool. I like that. So it looks like they've got a new sound pack on there as well. I believe Maps has also been updated. I'm not 100% sure. I think it still looks quite the same to me, but let me try and change it to satellite view. Sorry, I can't remember how you do it. To be honest, I can't really tell much difference with that. I'm sure there is something back end that I'm missing out on there. Everything that you see me doing now, I've had very limited reading on this. I didn't run any of the beta programs or anything. I just waited for the real release because I've only just bought the laptop. So I didn't want to stick Big Sur on it straight away when it was buggy or anything like that. And also I just wanted to get this video done for you guys and for my channel. But I think that's about it really. I'll give you a more in-depth overview later down the line. I think for now I just wanted to give you a feel for what it's like, and so far it seems nice and fast, and hopefully it's going to be nice and stable and a great addition to the MacBook to keep it performing well and up to date. So please like, comment and subscribe, guys. I'd be interested in any feedback that you've got. I have got some more videos in the pipeline. I'm just trying to wait for it till I can afford a new lens for my camera. I've bought a DSLR, but I haven't got a very good lens, unfortunately. I've got one great for walking about with, but absolutely terrible for doing close-up unboxings and vlogging and stuff like that. So I've got my eye on another one. I just need to save up for it. But yeah, like I said, rate, comment and subscribe, and have an awesome day. Thanks very much.